Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, and we're standing on the brand new Sailfish 325 dual console. So you can see I got one of the three seats back here flipped down. This boat could be an excellent day boat or an excellent fishing boat. Take you right to the canyon, you can troll for tuna, as well as spend the day out at the sandbar or going to restaurants, because you could load this with people with all the seats. Super easy to put in and out. You have a live well back here, equipped with dual Yamaha 300s, telescoping ski tow, large fish box in the floor. Now you got your starboard galley area, you got a sink, nice place for some drinks and ice chest in there, got a refrigerator. On the port side, again, another fold out seat, and then you get a nice dry storage area, bunch of cup holders throughout. Continuing on this port side, we have a lot of space for a couple passengers here, sit comfortably, as well as a very large head compartment that has the enclosure package nicely stowed away. Now we're under this hard top. As you can see, it's very large, so you can get a lot of shade. It also has an extending sure shade. You got speakers up in here, so on those real sunny days, you can have a lot of shade, getting people out of the sun. Like today, it's very hot out here. Also up in this hard top, you do have your PFD storage. You have a Garmin VHF. And on the starboard helm here, we do have joystick Optimus on this boat. Nice touch. As well as a nice Garmin screen here. You got your Yamaha gauges, engine controls right there, and a Fusion stereo along with some switching. And nice flip down bolsters for two people at the helm station. Got a nice windshield, nice door as well. You got storage down there, as well. Up in the bow, you have storage under both port and starboard seats, and along with that, you have huge area to sit. Pretty big guy, and I got more than enough room for me and a couple other people up here to hang out. Stainless steel grab rail for safety, your anchor locker, which has your windlass controls. And another nice touch on this boat is a nice little spot to roll up towels and anything you want to keep dry for when you're going to the restaurants or sandbars. Again, this was Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this is our Sailfish 325 dual console. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you.